Hey guys and gals, I'm back. It's been a while, but here we are on another DIY project. Now the bathroom extractor fan has gone kaput. So I'll show you what's going on and what we're going to do to replace it. So we turn on the light switch and the light for the fan, and then we hear no sound. So upon inspection, we found out that there is power to the area, nothing wrong with the wires, and it looks like the motor is burnt. So I'm going to show you how we take this apart and repair it. So this is from the 90s, early 2000s. You'll find these in most homes. And as we remove that, there's the casing. Let me show you a little bit more. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure there's no power to the area, as there's power right through there, and you can do that by turning off the light switch, turning off the breaker to this area, and we unplug this just like a wall switch, you can see, like so, and you unscrew this one here, and you unscrew that one there. And what we do here is this tab, we pull it down, and pull it out. There we go. And we literally stick that back from where it came from, like so. And then on this side, we're ready to pull this out. Here we go. And here's the motor and fan that's shot. Alright, so here's the motor and fan casing. You can see this is two nuts here. Hold the motor in place. We remove those. And we can take that off. And I've gone ahead and pre-ordered. You can get this either your Amazon or Walmart for about $15 to $20, and you can reinstall. There's only one way it fits, so you can't get it wrong. What we'll do here is we'll run through the wire first. Good. And then we'll have the motor match up with the mounting screws. There's one of them. And let's get the other one as well. Perfect. And then we'll put two nuts on there and then tighten those nuts in place. And then we can put the housing back and then test the fan and say we are complete. Now we just have a screwdriver with an adapter socket at the end, and we can just screw that in place. As we mentioned, that's how we took it out. We put the casing back in with the hinges there and a screw in place. Then we have to feed this through. And now that it's fed through, we will tack it in place and then put the screw in place, plug it in, and we're good to go. Okay, now through a little bit of troubleshooting, I think we got it running. So when we hit the switch, the fan speeds up. We got a live fan there. So something to take into consideration is when installing this fan, if it broke it in your home, there must have been something in the first place that went wrong. And in this case, it looks like the fan got so close to the ceiling that it literally seized against the ceiling. So that was going to happen to the new one as well. All I did is I didn't tighten it and it's not as close to the ceiling, just moved it a few centimeters, and it's working just fine. Enjoy and happy fixing.